You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this company. Let's break down the pronunciation. Stock price: healthcare, powering healthcare connected with intelligence. I know the spelling is confusing. Is it IQVIA? IQVIA? Let's hear it from the company itself. They do have a video that explains it. So let's hear it.
Search, people need to be reminded 7 times.
According to marketing research, people need to be reminded 7 times about how to pronounce this name. So,
Therefore, IQVIA.
IQVIA, apparently. Oh, okay, so I see what they did. They essentially broke down IQ, as in intellectual quotient, I'm imagining. IQVIA, and you want to stress on the Q syllable. Let's make sure it's actually the good one.
IQVIA.
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 Yeah, IQVIA. IQVIA. So let's train 7 times so you remember. IQVIA, 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 IQVIA. I don't know how many times that is, but now at least you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.